How to reset the maintenance required light on a Toyota Sienna. So the first thing to do is with the car on, or not the engine on, but the car on, you want to set the odometer, press the odometer button here to the left until you get to trip A, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and turn the car off. So if you have a key car, just turn the key to off or press the button. Then you're going to press and hold the odometer button while you turn the car back to the on position, okay? Again, you're turning it on, you're not actually turning the engine on. So we're gonna hold down the button, turn it to on, okay? If you have a button start car, then you're just going to press the button twice without pressing on the brake. So if you have a key, just turn the key. If you have a button, press twice without touching the brake. So hold down the odometer button, turn the car to on, and then you should see this flash 000. All the dashes are gonna go away, 000, let go, and now your maintenance required light is turned off.